Yeah. So we completed that aggregations concept, right? And today we will do set operators. Set operators. We will do a set operators. So generally set operators in our childhood, we already seen this kind of things, right? Like A intersection B, set operators, and A union B. This kind of set operators we have seen. So the same set operators, so here also it will apply. Same set operators, here also it will apply the same thing. So generally we have some three types of set operators will be have, 3 or 4 types like that. I will just write what are the set operators. I think one set operator is union. There is a one set operator. And second set operator is union all. And third operator is intersect. And fourth operator is except. Except. So one is union. Another is the union all. And third one is the intersect. And fourth one is the except. So 4 set operators we have. So generally set operators used to combine 2 select statements. 2 select statements. Set operators are used for combine 2, or you can say or more also you can write 2 or more. 2 or more select statements. So union, union all, intersect, except. Got it? Like in the childhood we have seen, right? A union B means you'll combine more. Like A is equal to suppose A is equal to suppose set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and B is equal to again some set of 1 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Now suppose A union B. If I write A union B, it is a union, right? All will come. Union statement. So this all will come like this. So this is like this. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Again one more statement is there. 1 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. And this is A. This is B. If you combine union, A union B, we combine A union B, it will combine all, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 5, 6, 7, all will come. But here already one is there. Here already one is there. It will take one statement like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. All will take. If A intersection B means, A intersection B means, what is the common thing here? What is the common thing? 1 is the common, right? 1 is the common. So only 1 is the value output will come. The common thing will come. 1 intersect. So in that way, like how we do in on math, the same thing we can apply on the select statements also. Is that clear till now?
Yeah.
So we have some rules to follow on this. We have some rules to follow on this. So these rules are very, very important in order to apply a set operator. And the first rule is the number of columns should be same in both select statements. So number of columns should be same in both select statements. Number of columns should be same in both select statements. Okay, that means if you take age, gender, income, one select statement, other select statement also age, gender, income should be there. And the next thing is data type. Data types of columns should be same. Should match. Okay, should be match. Data type also should match. And next third one is order of the columns. Order of the columns. Order of the columns should same. So what is the order of the columns? If you write select age, comma gender in one select statement, another select statement also should be same like that only. Age, comma gender. You should not write like this. Gender, comma age. So this is that order. Order you need to maintain. After age, gender is coming. So that order. So number of columns should be same. Data types of columns should match. Order of the columns also should be same. Okay, these are the three statements, three rules. Next, so we will talk about first one, union. Union thing, we'll talk about union. So like that, I already said union means it will combine all the values, right? Union will combine all the values. So what I can say, to combine the result, of two or more select statements as a single value, we can write as a single value without duplicates. So there is no duplicates. Okay, to do this we will create step 1, will create a table 1, and step 2 will create a table 2, and then we will apply in step 3, will apply union operation. So these three things we will see now. First one is we will create a table 1 and create a table 2 and we'll apply a union operation. Then you will understand exactly how union will work. Okay, we'll just create that. So I'm coming here. So I'm use marketing DB. Use marketing. So first one, what I am doing, create a table 1. Create a table 1. So I'm creating create, create table. What will create a table? Will create a table employees. Employee 1 table, EMP1. Okay, in that we will create employee ID, EID or small EID. employee ID integer, and e name, employee name will take, that is varchar, suppose 50, and salary also will take, salary will take, and the salary is nothing but will take money as a type. We have a money type also will be there in the SQL server. Okay, money data type. So whenever we will display like this for salary, people use this money data type generally. So you can see money as some fixed point of decimal number should be there in money. So you can apply a decimal point instead of writing integer, instead of writing float. People also created a data type called money. Money is same like a float data type also. So you can write decimals, you can write integers, both can apply in the money. So with these three, we created a data table. We created a table. And second, I'm creating one more table. Create table 2. Create table 2. The same. I'm creating the same table 2. I'm just copying this. I'm saving here. That is EMP2, EMP1, and EMP2. Okay. I'm just running this. I'm executing. So I'm taking same columns, EID, e-name, salary, but two different tables. We'll just see the marketing. Why it is still taking some time. So for you is created table 1, table 2, EMP1, EMP2. Just check it. For me, it's taking time to refresh.
I already created.
So for you created. For me, it is taking some time. Yeah. Now instead of I'm inserting rows here, I'm going to here employee 1 and employee 2. I will directly edit here. Okay. We know how to insert already. We know how to insert already. But here, I will just edit this. Save the time. So edit top 200 rows. Go to edit top 200 rows. Just write 1001 and name is suppose some Anil and salary is called suppose 60,000. 60,000. And next 1002 take suppose Bunny and salary is equal to some you can take you whatever your values. Okay, can just take your values. Suppose 85,000. And you can take 103 also. One more name. 1003. And take one more name called Chinnu. Take suppose 50,000. And one more name also you can take. 1004. Same Debbie. Some 75,000. Okay, this is created one table. We will create another table also. Created one more table. We already created EMP. So we will create a data on EMP also. Go to edit top 200 rows. Okay. Take first value as same 1001. Take Anil and take how much we have given 60,000. We'll give 60,000. Okay. 60,000 will give. Okay, same value I have taken. Now you will take continuation. So here after 101, 102, 103, 104, just continue with 1005. So why we are doing, you will learn, you will see later. Okay. Why you are doing, you will see later. And A, B, C, D, E. And we'll take one more name. From Sandeep, you will take. You will take suppose 35,000. And 106 you will take. Meghana you take. That is suppose 95,000 you will take. Okay, enough. So our data values also created. Our data values is created. We'll do that. Select star from EMP1. Select star from EMP2. So data is created now. Please create the data. Please create the data for first data and second data. I hope everyone is created, right? So let's wait one more minute.
You're done.
So everyone is completed, I hope. Now first we'll apply union operator. Okay. Union operator means what is the condition? First condition is all columns should same. And second one is data type also same, right? Column should same, data type also should same. Now in the first table, the table 1 or in the EMP1, we have 1001 record, 1002 record, 1001 record, 1002 record, 1003 and 1004. In the EMP2, we have 1001 record and 1005 record and 1006 record. When you apply union means it will combine all. That means the new select statement will give combination of all these records. Okay, that is called union. So I am just writing here select star from EMP1. This is the first select statement, union, and select second statement, select star from EMP2. So this is the first statement. Star means all the columns will come, all the columns should be same, and data type also same, and there is no of order. Order is no need to be mentioned here because we are taking star. So if we run this, we'll get 1001 Anil, no duplicate records. Okay, in the EMP1, EM2, we have a duplicate record, but here it is not allowed a duplicate record. Data generator are retrieved, data retrieved without duplicates. Without duplicates. So select statement should be same like that. Without duplicates. So next, if I want to give the same column names, if I want to provide the column names, select what are the columns? EID, comma, ename from EMP1, and the select union, select EID, ename from EMP1. I am just retrieving this, will give the two answers. Here you need to
select union EMP2, right?
EMP2. Yeah, thank you. So here you need to understand the column names are in order or not. So what happens if I give different order? So I'm taking this. Now if I give EID here, select ename, comma EID. Okay, these are different order. So it will give the error. Conversion failed when converting the varchar value Anil into a data type int. So what it is understanding, ename is a Anil is there and EID is there, integer is there. Here integer type is there and here varchar is there. So when you are interchanging the columns, it is not able to taking. So that's why always column should be maintained in the order. Order should maintain. Order of columns important. Please note down this. If you remove the order, it will get the error. Suppose if I take the same thing here, different data types. Here EID I am taking, and here ename I am taking. So obviously this also could be error. Okay. So the rules you need to follow. The 3 rules what we mentioned here, that you need to follow. Whenever number of columns should be same, data types of columns should be matched, order of the column should be same. Now check for union all, everyone. Check for union all and tell me what you are observed. Everyone, apply the union all. Everyone, apply the union all and tell me what you are observed.
Union all, the duplicate value also will repeat, like 101 Anil has come, and again one table 2 Anil, employee 2 from there 101 Anil has come. Anil is repeated.
Yes. I hope everyone is understood the same thing with union all. So next, I'm just taking this. You already know, but I'm just writing here. Union all. So it is combining 2 tables. How many are there? That is simple. So next, check with intersect. Check with intersect. Anyone can understand what this? Check with intersect.
Yeah, only Anil has come.
Yeah, because in both tables only one is common. Intersect. So next, private except. Except is the name itself is saying except common people. Except common. So what is except meaning?
Excluding one value.
Excluding one value. Yeah, that is correct. One minute, no? Now we will deal with the topic called joints. No? Generally, we have some retrieving methods. We have okay. Retrieve methods. Retrieve method means you need to get the data. You need to see the data. You need to display the data. For that, there are three types are there. One is called selection method, and another is called projection method, and third one is called joint. selection method, projection method, joins method. So selection method, we can say selection method as, we can use where condition, we can retrieve data single table. We can retrieve data from single table, and we can use where condition. We can use where condition. Okay, we can retrieve the data from single table. We can use where condition. That means we till now all the classes we have done select star we have done, right? That is nothing but selection only. Okay, here we have done select star. So this is nothing but, here we are not use any where condition, right? But if you use where condition, that is nothing but a selection process. Projection process is also same. We can retrieve data from single table, but without where condition. Without where condition. And when you come to joins, if you want to retrieve the data from multiple tables. Very simple, ma. Till now what we have done is called selection and projection. We always deal with only single table. We never worked on double two tables or two or more tables at a time. So when you want to work on multiple tables, that is concept is called joins. That concept is called what? Joins. Is that clear?
Yes.
Very simple. That is joins. So if you want to retrieve the data, more than one table. In joins, we have two types now. In joins, we have two types. One is called ANSI format. Okay, ANSI format. And another is what? Non-ANSI format. What I will tell you what is ANSI, non-ANSI. On ANSI format, non-ANSI format. ANSI format one thing, and second one is non-ANSI format. So this is a kind of a ASCII code kind of thing actually developed by Microsoft SQL Server specially to the ANSI format and non-ANSI format. Okay, but it is very simple. We already some database also it supports. I will tell you what is the ANSI format now. Understand very carefully. ANSI format means will retrieve the data from multiple tables using on keyword. What is that on? Using on keyword join condition. Okay, using on keyword plus condition. You can say, right, on is a keyword plus some condition. That condition we call join condition. So we'll two things. On is the one keyword we will use, and we'll apply the condition, join condition. That is called ANSI format. That is called ANSI format. And non-ANSI format, same thing, will retrieve the data from multiple tables, but here you will use where keyword. Where keyword plus as if the join condition will be there. Okay, on keyword plus join condition and where keyword join condition. In join there are two type formats will be available, ANSI format and non-ANSI format. ANSI format means you will use on keyword, very simple. Non-ANSI format means you will use where keyword.
Mr. Omkar, how do we find from the data set whether we have to use ANSI format and non-ANSI
No,
format?
that is your requirement. If you want to do some, we'll do some problems, right? If you want to use your requirement, you will use on keyword. Your requirement is the where condition you want to use, that is your ANSI format. We will not decide the format first. Okay, we will decide our use case first.
Okay.
Based on your use case, we will go on keyword or where keyword. Simple. Only two keywords will be available. Either you want to apply on keyword on your use case, then that is called, people are calling ANSI format. If you are using where keyword, people are calling that is a non-ANSI format. Generally, ANSI means American Standard. American, it means national, I think. National Standard Institute is ANSI, American National Standard Institute. Forget about this ANSI and non-ANSI and all these things. Only remember only one thing. Either you want to use on keyword or you want to use where keyword. Simple. On keyword or where keyword. So next, I'm taking ANSI format. In ANSI format, we'll have one is called inner join. Okay, what is the concept? Inner join. And second is nothing but outer join. And again in outer join, we have left outer join. And we have right outer join. And third one, we have full outer join. So inner join, outer join. In outer join, again three types: left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. And we have one more thing is called cross join. And we have one more thing is called natural join. Cross join and natural join. So these all are in the ANSI format. That means these all are used for which keyword? On keyword. So in inner join, you will use on keyword. And outer join, you will use on keyword only. Again in outer join, how many types are there? Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. And third one is what? Cross join. And fourth one is a natural join. These are the types. If I say like this, you will confuse. That's why we will jump into the code part. Slowly you will understand now. What is the inner join, what is outer join and everything. Okay. For that, so you will create a database. Create a database. So create database. Join. Create a database. Join. I already created. So just create a database join. We'll create the tables. So already two tables I have. To create a database join. Next you'll type use join. Okay. After create, you write use joins. Create table student. Create table student. The student you will have student ID, STID, that is called int, and student name, that is called varchar. Varchar suppose 40. And next student mail ID, that is called varchar 50. And next you will type as the course ID. Course ID, that is called int. Create this table, everyone. So I have table already.
Done.
So everyone is created, right? Student table.
Yes, Omkar.
Yeah, next we will create one more table called create course table. Yeah, course table. So in course, we have course ID. We have course ID. That is nothing but int. And the course name varchar equal to 40 or 50, you can write. And next one is course fee also. Course will write decimal. There is a type called decimal type. Okay. Is 6,2. That means after point you can type only 2. Okay, I will write here. Decimal point. Let's finish this. Let's create this. I will tell you what is the decimal point. In course, please note down these values. In course table, please note down the values. So everyone created two tables, right? Student and course. These are the columns. Please note down the values in the course. Please note down these values. If you want, I will write here. Select star from student. Select star from course. Invalid object in student. why it is. Four. Give me one thing. Why it is not coming up? Okay, I need to get use join. Sorry. Can you type use join? Yeah. Is this is visible or this is visible? Which one is visible for you? For zoom in. This or this output? One is saying anything. Once finish this, tell me now. Decimal 6,2 means this is, you see that course fee 1200.00. That means total how many digits? 6 digits. After point how many digits? 2 digits. That's why 6,2. If you give one 25,000 or 30,000, it will not take. It will take the error. Got my point? Decimal 6,2 means, I'm writing here, decimal type 6,2 means total digits are 6. 1200.00. Total digits, how many digits are there? 6 digits are total digits. But after decimal, after point, how many digits are there? After point, only 00 is there. That is nothing but 2. That's why it is a 6,2 decimal. If you give 25,000, if you give 25,000.00, you will get error. It will not take the value. That is called decimal 6,2. So please note down these values. Once you note down, let me know. Let me know when you are finished now.
Done.
Finished now? Everyone?
Yeah, Omkar.
Yeah, please do it. Finished? Still taking time. Post me in the chat when you are finished. Do it fast now.
Omkar, in my system, I create database. Database is showing, but the table is not showing.
Use that joint kind of. Use the data.
Yeah, I use that command as well. Use
Perform the select operator.
again.
It is not refreshed, I think. Perform the select
Okay.
operation. Perform the select operation. There if
Okay.
data comes, it is created. Maybe it takes some time to refresh. Only 2 members has created. Bit fast, ma. They are in late.
Now I see.
Hmm. So now we'll perform the inner join first. Inner join. Okay. We'll perform the inner join. So what I'm saying inner join means it is a retrieve the data. Retrieve the data from multiple tables. Multiple tables. Okay. What is the condition? What is the condition we can give? That is a we will use on keyword. Okay. We'll give on keyword and equality condition. Equality condition. I'll tell you what is that. We'll give on keyword and equality condition. So I'll just write the syntax here. Syntax. First you have to write select statement, select star, or you can use a list of columns that we already know. List of columns. Select star or list of columns. From table 1, join key, that is inner join or outer join, that join key you have to give, and table 2. And next you have to perform on operator and you have to give the joining condition. This much you have to write. I will tell you, don't worry this syntax, if you not understand, you'll understand here. You'll understand here, okay? So first one is select star, okay? Select star from first table is what? Student. First table is what? Student. With join inner join. Inner join. And second table is what? Course. Select star from student inner join course and next will give on keyword and next will give one column. Okay, you will give one column. What is the common column here in both? What is the common column? Course ID. So course ID equal to course ID. Course ID. If you run this, you will get error. What is the error you are getting is ambiguous column name, because course ID should I take student type or course type? How can I know That is the system is asking you. To avoid the confusion, you need to write here student dot, and here you will write course dot. That means from the course table, I am taking course ID. From student table, I am taking course ID. So then based on the course ID, I am applying the inner join. So select all the columns from student, apply the inner join on the course when student of course ID equal to course of course ID. So if you run this, we will get only left side. Now see here, student is your left side, right? Kind of inner join. So it will avoid that 101 student ID, the 10, 20. And if you run this, the 10, 20 will matches. Where it is the 10, 20 matches, that records only will come. That is called inner join, inner side. So course ID 10, course ID 20, course ID 10, course ID 20, both are matching. Only that two records are retrieving, and that is called inner join operation. Is that clear, ma? What is inner join is doing? It is combining two tables. Combining two tables, student ID, student name, student email, course ID, course ID, course name, course fee. What is the joining condition here? Whenever the course ID equal, based on the course ID equal, you need to combine these two tables. But how you are combining? By using inner join, you are combining. What is the inner join property? Whenever the rows are matching in course ID table 1, course ID table 2, what are the records are matching? Only retrieve that records only. And that is called inner join operation. Is this clear? Any doubts in this?
No.
Now please note down this inner join. So inner join is an ANSI type, right? ANSI type, which keyword you will use? On keyword we will use. Suppose if you use where keyword, where you will get an error. Okay, where keyword you will get an error. So that's why we'll use inner join on keyword only. On keyword. So on course ID equal to course ID, ambiguity will come. That's why we are telling from student table take the course ID. From the course table take the course ID. Based on the course ID column, join the two tables, student and course. While joining, select the all the columns. And while joining, applying inner join means whenever the records are matched, only that records will take. So based on course ID column, join two tables with matched records. That is called inner join. That is called inner join. So that is the inner join completed. Now next we will go for outer join. In outer join, what is the first one, ma? What is the first one? Left outer join. Left outer join. So inner join will give the matched records. Outer join will give the all unmatched records. So I will tell you how it will go. Okay. I will tell you. So same thing I am copying. Same thing. Here left outer join I am writing. Left outer join. So when I run this, you will get answer like this. So what does this mean? Before that, I will need to execute this also. Then you will understand. See, ma'am. This is which table? Student table. Okay. What you are seeing, this is a student table. This is a course table. This is your left side is there. Right? Student is what? Left side is there. Course is what? Right side is there. Left side and right side. So left side, all the records will be displayed. Left side, all the records will be displayed. Whether it is, that's why it is called left outer join. We are joining two tables, but left side, all the records will display. Here 101 with the 10, 20, 10, 20 is matched, but 30 is not matched. It's nowhere 30, but this is a left side is there. That's why we are providing this record and corresponding course record showing as null. I'm repeating again. See, left side, left outer join means left side is a student table is there. Right side is a course table is there. We are joining these two using course ID. So in course ID 10, 20, 30. Here 10, 20 both are matched. So that two records will come perfectly. But the third record also will come because in student table there is third record is existed. Why only student table is taking? Because we are applying a left outer join. Left means your left side student is there. Your right side course is there. If I write course here, if I write student here, first two records will match 10, 20, and next again two more records will come. 40 record will display, 50 record will display, corresponding to null values also will display. See, 10 is display, 2 display, both are matched. That's why these two records are coming perfectly. But in your course, again 40, 50 is there. That 40, 50 also will come. This total table will come. Those who are matched from this table to this table, that only will records will display. Other records will be shown as null. That is called left outer join. Is this clear in left outer join? Any doubts?
No.
Please note down this. We can provide some alias name also like this. You already know alias names. Course as C and student as yes. You need to provide here yes. You need to provide C alias name. Alias. You can remove as also, it will work, ma. To remove as also will work. Okay, this inherently it will take as alias. Course C, left outer join, student S. You can write as here, no problem. You can remove also. Both will work. There are two tables are there. Two tables, you want to combine the two tables by using a course ID column. And which join you are applying based on the concept of that, it will come. Left outer join means left table will completely come. And right table is whoever the match the records with the left table, and that records only will come. And other records show as null. That is called left outer join. The name itself is saying left outer join. Please note down this. We'll perform one use case now. Based on this, once it is finished, let me know. We'll perform one use case. You need to understand that one. Let me know when you are finished this.
Yes.
Left outer. So yesterday we have worked with this bank data set, right? The marketing we have a bank data set. I will just use that. Okay, use marketing, select star from bank. This we have done yesterday. In that one case we have done, I want job category, unemployed people, services people, management is there, blue collar is there, right? In that unemployed people, how many are y equal to no? In services people, how many are y equal to no? That we yesterday we got that like this. Select count. If you remember this yesterday, last class, as job y with no. Suppose job to y with no from bank where y equal to y equal to no or yes. We'll keep no. Why job by no be given, right? No we will give. Group by job. This we have written. Group by job. Job by no is equal to what? 379, 163. If I get a job here, like this, it's coming. This is one thing. This is one table. Now same thing I am performing one more table with yes. With yes. Now this is one more table. The two tables are coming now. This is one table, this is another table, right? Now, if I want to apply a inner join, this is assume that this is one table. This is one table. What is the common column here? Job is the common column. So if you want to apply a inner join, left outer join or left outer join on this, I need to get like this now, answer. One minute, huh? Just copying this. So this control C I am keeping here. Control V. It's coming like this, right? Here, what is there? Any above? Job why no? Job why no? And here, what is there? Job. Now another table you already seen, right? Now I want to get this table side by side. Job why yes, and only job with one column is a common value is there. Now I will get like this. If I want to apply left outer join, now I need get answer like this. You understand, right? Question. There are two tables are there. Now I need to get like this. Are you understand the question or not?
No.
Do not understand the question. 1 minute. How many tables are you seeing with this command?
2 tables.
Now I need to get two tables side by side. Like this. Here also two tables you are seeing, but side by side.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, no.
Now here also two tables you are seeing. Now I need to get side by side. If side by side means you will get like this. Because job category is common. Job category is common. Job category is common. So job why no? Job why no? Next job. Next job. Next what should come? Job why? Yes will come. Yes or no?
Yes.
By using left outer join. By using left outer join. So these type of use cases you will work in future. You are already performed some mathematical aggregation operation here. and you already performed some aggregation operation here. Now you are getting two tables. Now you want to combine these two tables side by side. Is everyone understood the question or not? First tell me that. Is everyone understood? Ashim, Davis, Sonia.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone understood, right? And yesterday, while we are leaving the class, we perform one more operation, query on query. Do you remember that? Query on query.
Yes. Yes.
I told you that is very, very important.
Hmm.
Query and query. If I want to get the maximum value on this, if I want to get maximum value on this, I will just repeat that query and query because we will use now that query and query. So what I said, this is one table, right? In your imaginary world, think like that. This is one table. This table will save as with one name, right? Every table is with saving with one name. Here table is course, table is student. In the same way, this is also like one table. I said the table name is called what? Some variable XYZ. Okay. This table name, it is stored, and this table name is what? XYZ. How you are getting this table? By using this command. Suppose this table is existed here like this XYZ. If you want to get the maximum value, what is the command? Select max of XYZ from, select max of job y no, right? Job underscore y underscore no. I need to get the maximum value on this from XYZ table. From XYZ table. Because this is the one table is stored with the name of XYZ. If I want to get the maximum value on the job column, job y no column, I need to apply this query. Is that clear till now?
Yeah.
Now what I have done, I removed XYZ place, I copy the original query. I copied the original query. I copied this original query. I removed this. Now, this select max job by no from which table? This is the table. Here, this is the table. Now, what I am what I said, you need to give the name of this table at the end. Like you already given here, write this, right? So s dot course ID. You are retrieving the column by using with the table name. Retrieving the column by using the table name. So here, it will not understand job by no in which table is existed. That's why at the end we provided XYZ here, and we call that column by using XYZ job. Now if you run this, you will get the value. This is called query and query. Yesterday we discussed this. You understand right now clearly? Query and query?
Yes.
No doubts, right? Now the same thing, observe very carefully. If you are not get, please ask me, I am repeating every time, many times I am repeating. Now these are two statements. Now I want to apply inner join and two tables, right? Assume that this is a table 1. Assume that this is a table 1. Assume that this is a table 2. Assume that this is a table 1. Assume that this is a table 2. What is your left outer join concept? Tell me. What is your left outer join? Select command. I need command. Select star from
T1
table 1 left
outer join
outer join
T2
T2. Next, you are applying what?
On.
On, and you are applying T1 dot. Here job is the common, right? T1 dot job equal to T2 dot job. That's it.
Yes.
If these two are tables, this is the condition. These two are tables and this is the syntax. Now instead of T1, we will replace this original one. Instead of T1, we will replace this original one. Now T2, we will replace this original one. T2 will replace this original one. So I'm replacing this. I'm writing like this: T1, T2, like this I have written. Now T1, I'm replacing this with T1. So I'm removing this and copying this. Finished. Now T2, I'm just copying this. I will replace here. But now here you need to give the T1 means you need to give the table name, right? You need to give this table name, you need to give this table name. So what I am writing here, T1 I am writing. Here what I am writing, T2 I am writing. Simple. Same like XYZ. We saved into T1, we saved into T2. Now if you run this, you will get side by side. Simple. I will repeat again. What I am saying is, now this is one table. If you run this query, it will give one table. Suppose in your imaginary world, assume that you save this table is as a T1. Now if you run this, you will get one more table. Same in your imaginary world, you assume this is the T2. Now there are two tables are there. If I ask you right, left outer join syntax, what you will write? Select star from next table 1, next left outer join table 2, next on which column you want to join? Job column. That is called T1 dot job equal to T2 dot job. So here now, instead of T1, you replace your original syntax. This. Now I replace this. Put comma like this, 2 commas, 2 brackets, and this. And next one, with a T2, replace this select command. Now T2, replace this both. Now here you want to get T1 with the name you have to provide. After giving this table, you have to provide T1 and next you have to provide T2. If you don't want to provide T1, T2, you will provide your name and my name. That's also fine. That is nothing but a variable. Okay. Now if you run this, you will get the value. So like this, you need to implement the queries when the real time analysis. I hope you got this concept. Please note down. Everybody please don't note down. While you are retrieving this, use the database name. Use the marketing. For me it is marketing. Use marketing, then you write the query. So always divide into minute way. Okay, debug into minute way, then create the large one. Create the large one. Let me know when you are finished, Mo.
Done.
Done, right? So next, we'll go to our old one. This one.
Can you share that query in the chat?
Last one.
Just for comparing. Yeah, last one. Just for comparing.
Okay. Tell me when you are not done, okay? Okay, done?
Yeah, done.
Yeah. Now instead of left outer join, apply the right outer join. Or old one. Where is the old one? Here. Now tell me what you are observed. Okay. Now right outer join, apply right outer join. Tell me what you are observed. Tell me what you are observed. Right outer join. Very simple. Let student here. So right outer join means in your course, wherever it matches, your student is right side, student is there, right? This will come everything, but it is matches with only 2 records in course. That records will come, and the third will come as null. This is you can understand easily. Left outer join means the course table will come everything, and whatever the matched records with student, that will display first, and remaining is null. Right means the right student will come everything. How many are there student? Only 3 records. That will come everything, and wherever matched student with course, that records 2 records will come, and with third record it shows as null. Clear, understandable this left outer join and right outer join?
Yes.
And one more thing applies the full join. Left to right, full outer join. Like this. It will come 2 tables, but wherever it is not matched, that will show as null. Four side is 4 is there, 4 will come. With other 2 is not matched, 10, 20, 40, 50, 30. That means left join, outer join, 2 tables will combine in the full join. These all are self-explanatory once you understand the left two. These two, 3 will come, and finally that will come. Simple. Okay. I hope this will understand the joints concept, and there is some more joints also there. We will see in the next class. Okay.